knows us. No matter who you are. Jay? Danny McBride. Greg Robinson?
It's me and Jerry Hill from Moneyball.
No matter what you're doing.
Have you seen Michael Sarah tonight?
Yeah. It's all right. It's a little drama. The end is here. It's the apocalypse. You cannot rob us! Hermione just stole all of our keys. This is the end. Rated R. To see restricted content, go to facebook.com/thisistheend.
What is this place? He's just back there shopping.
Good luck with that. Hey, look at Tom. We found an entire outfit.
Stop shopping in no man's land. There's a better way for bigger men to find clothes. Destination XL.
I joined Match because
I'm a single dad. I'm just tired of the bar scene.
it's hard to meet someone when you're always working.
I want to try something new.
Did you know that people who join Match are 3 times more likely to find a relationship than people who don't? Match.com. Start for free today.
Excuse me. I just want to ask you a cool question. Which of these facts do you think is uglier?
That one's too late to kill us more people. That one is killing people who don't even smoke.
I would say the 1,075.
I don't agree with you. I gotta go with 137.
Okay, we'll vote.
Both of these are true?
Yeah.
That's a lot of dead people.
I love the car. Any problems? Car's clean. 12,000 and it's yours.
It's for you.
Carfax says it wasn't an accident? No, it's a scratch. 11,000. It had frame damage.